So cardigans are fun. They're sort of like wearing a nice, cozy, warm blanket. That's how it occurs to me anyway. So, but you want them to be proportionate, not too long, not too voluminous, so we still see you because at the end of the day, dressing well, especially with fitted clothing, is all about seeing your body, seeing you in the clothing and seeing you, not just the clothing, right? Like the clothes don't need to wear you. For a cardigan, I always prefer to have one that's a little bit more thin fabric, something nylon, something viscose, something like that, and wear it over a t-shirt, maybe with my like a kind of a voluminous skirt, but because it's thin and it's shorter, it's going to be more like a bolero kind of, not too short, but like something that hits me right at the top of my waist. For me, I know that that looks really good because my proportions look good in it. It's all about your proportions. I wouldn't necessarily wear them buttoned up because a lot of times, depending on how busty you might be, you might have a bunch of gapping going on between your buttons. I don't necessarily want that. That's not looking good. But if it's a zipper, that could be a good idea to like have it zipped up if you want to be a little bit more warm. And you could wear a cropped one with like jeans and maybe a little tank. So it just depends on where you're going and how you're utilizing the cardigan. I would just say, looking at your proportions and your height, what kind of fabric and what type of cardigan you want is the basis of where you start, and then layer it from there.